Using turn cord, I am going to show you how you can create these Chinese knots. I'm going to be using a length of turn cord that's probably about 41 inches, and I am going to come up about 12 inches. I'm going to form a loop. I'm going to take that loop and I'm going to fold it back down on top of the cord, forming 2 more loops. I'm going to take these loops and I'm going to take the right one and cross it over the left, and then working with this left strand, I'm going to weave it in and out of the top 2 loops. I'm going to begin by coming up, and then I will go down into the center. I'm going to go under and then out and over the top right side of my right loop. And I'm going to pull the cord through. And as I pull it through, I'm going to go ahead and just straighten out this fabric cord. You can see how it wants to twist a little bit. And so as you go along, if you can take out some of those twists, it's going to be prettier in the end. Okay. And you'll see that this has formed where it looks almost like a pretzel. I'm going to continue using this right side cord, and I'm going to bring it down and over, switching my fingers around, down and over this bottom cord, and I'm going to weave this side again. And I am going to come under and over and down into this section here. Okay, I'm going to straighten my cord up a little bit. And then you will have a shape that looks like this. Now you will begin by pulling your cords, and you're going to tighten up all these cords so that you can begin forming your knot. Now this takes a little bit of time, and so you're going to have to be patient and just begin by cinching up the cords as you go. Like I said, be patient because you want your knot to look really nice. Now that your knot is complete, you can go ahead and cut off the cord to about maybe 1.5 inches to 2 inches, and you can insert into a pillow as a decorative element, or you can go ahead and hand close the ends together and use your knot as a decorative button in your project. I hope you liked the video. And be sure to follow me on social media, here, and here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post my next video.